me back. I got a sledge in my truck.
Hang on. That person coming to the door.
Got one coming to the door.
Is that him going upstairs?
I don't know. I can't see.
Mike just went upstairs. Try a door.
Open the door!
Open the door!
That's him.
Subject inside. He's inside. All right. Come to the door.
Come to the door!
Open the door.
Open the door! Let's see your hands! Come out here! Let's see your hands!
Get on the ground. Fucking hands. Get on the fucking ground.
You cocksucker! What the fuck are you doing?
Everybody else in there?
Ah!
I'm behind you. I'm behind you.
No!
I got your back.
No, I...
That's me. Go
Fuck!
Is everybody else in the house?
Someone cuff him. Here's cuffs. Start. Here.
Anybody else in the house?
Put cuffs on.
No, I...
Your wife.
Please!
Anybody else?
I
What's wrong
can't.
with your wife?
I can't breathe! I got two artificial...
There's one.
Got two artificial shoulders.
Give me your other hand. Give us your other hand.
I can't. You're making me lay off. Oh, you hey! I was watching you. I didn't do it. I was playing on a computer. What the fuck is your problem?
Try a door.
890 radio, please put you on standby for me, please.
Open the door!
Open the door.
That's him.
Subject inside. He's inside. Come to the door.
Come to the door!
Open the door.
Open the door! Let's see your hands!
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Fucking hands!
Get on the fucking ground.
You cocksucker! What the fuck are you doing?
Everybody else in there?
Eddie, I'm behind you. I'm behind you, Dan.
No,
I got your back.
no, I...
That's me. Go cuffs. Cuffs.
Everybody else in the house?
Someone cuff him. Here's cuffs. Start. Here.
Anybody else in the house?
Put cuffs on.
No, I...
Your wife. Anybody else? What's wrong with your wife?
I can't breathe! I got two artificial...
There's one.
Got two artificial shoulders.
Give me your other hand. Give us your other hand.
Oh, hey! I was watching you. I didn't do it. I was playing on a computer. What the fuck is your problem? I live here, motherfucker. I'm in a row. Oh, you fuckers are nuts. And you busted my fucking door. What the hell is your deal? Jesus Christ.
1081 on 37.
Yeah.